Okay, ready?
After that, you got
That's right. Please sit down though, Owen. I don't want you to get hurt. Sit down on your bottom. Good job. That's better. Do you want me to do it again, Elliot? Or are you going to do it?
I like that. It's
Don't touch it. Who wants me to spin a coin?
me. I got a coin.
Okay, here we go. There it goes. Oh.
I want it.
Give it to Owen. Oh, give it to Owen. Thank you. Do you want me to spin a coin for you?
Just
Give me a
Guys, this
coin to
is the
spin.
bottle.
Where are all the coins?
A, T, V, D, D, C, C, O. F, G, G, F, G.
Don't, please don't touch. Okay, here we go. I'm going to spin a coin. Ready,
Set,
set.
go. I want to see it. Oh yeah, I see it.
Do you see it?
Yeah.
Elliot, what are we doing?
Spin a coin.
Spinning
Coins.
coin.
I see it.
Can I have another coin? Can you let me do another coin? Oh, thank you, Owen. Oh, darn it. Can I have that?
As my
Don't do that, please. We're just doing the spinning coins right now.
friends, oh, what is it?